Good morning, everyone. My name is Loyan Singh. Today, I would like to tell a story about kindness and friendship. Maya was a shy girl who had just moved at a new school. She didn't know everyone and every day sat alone during lunch, quietly eating with her bright pink lunchbox decorated with stars. She often wished had someone to talk to. One day, as she opened her lunchbox, she noticed classmate named Alan sitting under a tree, looking sad. Maya felt nervous, but she walked over and gently asked, "Are you okay?" Alan nodded slowly. "I forgot my lunch today," she said soft. Maya looking her lunch. They smiled. "Let's share mine." Opening her lunchbox wide, they sat together and shared sandwich, food, and giggles. Their lunch be the beginning of something special. Of that day on, Maya and Alan become best friends. They laugh, pray, helping each other, and always sat together during lunch. Their friendship also gave Maya a confidence she never knew she had. She started speaking out more in classroom. Alan had not only made someone feel better, it had helped Maya go backward and happy too. All it took was one kind truth to check. Both they live of the better. Maya's small act of kindness turned a lonely day into the start of beautiful friendship. Moral of the story: even a small act kindness can bring a lot of happiness. You don't need to do something bigger, make a difference. A little kindness can go a long way and make to world a nice place of everyone.